Hey, welcome to another video, guys. Today I'm going to be doing a quick video on this F07 Smart Band, guys. I will do another in-depth video, so there'll be a link somewhere towards the end of the video, so make sure you check that out. But let's just show you some of the features. Okay, this is the face, and obviously you can change it to analog, and then if you hold it down again, you change it back. And this is also 24 hour and 12 hour. So you got the step count, you got your training. So there's more function in this menu here, which I'll show you in the other video. And you got the heart rate, so you will check all your heart rate. Just shows you how many hours you slept as well. It's got a alarm function, and it can find your phone for you if you lost it, and it can show you the info of the watch and then power offs. So this is just a quick short video, guys. Make sure you watch the other video. I'll link at the end of this video description, and then you can see the full in-depth review of this F07 Smart Band, guys.